Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This Mona Heights home was built in 1959 and rests on a 0.15-acre lot. These Kingston homes are ideal for medical professionals and lecturers because of their proximity to the University of the West Indies, University of Technology, and University Hospital of the West Indies. In original condition, 29 Lilyway consists of a single-story main house with 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, measuring just shy of 1,000 square feet. One could easily add a story to the home or simply extend the current footprint to create a master bedroom with ensuite bathroom. The self-contained 535 square feet cottage behind the main house has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a living area, and kitchenette. At the side of the cottage, there is also a bathroom for staff and a additional storeroom. This home has all the ingredients needed for a peaceful life in the city. A solid house with great curb appeal, thanks to the lawn at the front, 2 beautiful mango trees, plus a great community of friendly neighbors. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $311.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.